Okay, 3 AM wake up this time. These vlogs always start what time I woke up. You can see behind me a little hint of what we're doing. And this is your other hint. We're doing an ATV tour through the Red Valley to the base of the Rainbow Mountain. Hiking up the Rainbow Mountain, seeing the Rainbow Mountain. Hiking back down, back on the ATVs, back to camp. It's bloody cold. Apparently yesterday it was -5 up at the Rainbow Mountain. And there's, oh, look at all the fluffy friends. Look at them. I love them. But yeah. Look at this little guy. Look at him. Oh, hello.
I decided to be passenger princess today.
Yeah. I would have died.
My contract died and there wasn't another one, so here I am.
Tell you what, the cold is no joke. It's chilly. That's steep. So yeah. Oh, what's your glasses? Just to emphasise how cold it is. All the snow. But you see this? Dogs have followed us all the way from camp. All the way up there. How you doing, B? You didn't catch that, was I? Look at that. Oh. Up there. Where we need to go. I think it's becoming my favourite. Is absolute carnage. Like, look at all the people that are. It's crazy. But like we're up at 4. Well, we woke up at 3 AM. Pick up at like 4:30 to get here. I don't know what time these people got up. They must have got up early to be here, like before us. Jesus. You can do the viewpoint up there. We're gonna walk along the edge here. Go check this out. Maybe go up there afterwards. I haven't told you yet. The highest point we've been is last weekend at 5,000 metres. We're now at 5,200.
No wonder I feel weird. Love watching over there, stupid.
Yeah.
You just walk over here.
It's a little 5-minute walk. Much better view. Look at that. Nice. Yes, it is Kit Kat consumption time.
Take a break. Have a Kit Kat.
Have a Kit Kat. Should we sit on Big Hand and have Kit Kat? Big Hand Kit Kat. What? You have to pay to sit on a Big Hand? Yeah, no, I'm all good. A solid per finger. My Kit Kat's only got 4.
What a scenic view.
So scenic. Kit Kats. Cheers. Wow. Beautiful.
My hands are cold and I don't really want to light. So.
You might be the worst type of person that exists. No.
And you love me.
A little less now. No, you have to break the Kit Kat. Like, okay? Not that difficult, is it?
No, it's okay, but it tastes the same.
Yeah, but no. Alright, I want to go up this slope to get the view of the mountain. Becky hasn't got enough energy, so she's going down around there. I'm going over the top, and then we're going to meet on the bottom. See if this view's worth it. Can't lie. I'm ruined already. Like literally, I've walked about 20 metres since I last recorded. But the altitude up here is really kicking in now. I can't fucking breathe. Hike's worth it. That was difficult. It's pretty worth it. Rainbow Mountain was cool. We think this actually might be our favourite one. This is the Red Valley, which when I read on itineraries it said, don't skip it, so we skip it. So we didn't skip it. And honestly, we're blown away on this. It's just insane. Although I think it should be called Christmas time because it's green and red. But, yeah. That's what I did for me charge naming things. And just like that, we are back. Oh, now to make the 4-hour journey back to Cusco. Oh, big hole in the ground. Jump. Oh, fun. Oh, this has been insane. Honestly, if you are wanting to do, well, if you're coming into Cusco, you need to do Rainbow Mountain. But 100% do the Red Valley. You can either do a hike for the Red Valley, or you can do the ATVs like we did. But like, be careful on which one you book, because some of them are ATV tours that just take you to Rainbow Mountain, but don't go through the Red Valley. This one was specifically goes through the Red Valley. So yeah. Anyway, so.